Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mostafa Khan Maruf, and I am currently a 7th semester student in the Bachelor of Business Administration program at Daffodil International University. I have completed my SSC examination from Babur High School and College in 2022 with the GPA of 4.75. And I have also completed my SSC examination from Baburat High School and College in 2020 with the GPA of 5 out of 5. Since my school life, I always have been interested in business, finance, and decision making. So, this interest inspired me to choose finance as my future major. I love to understand the financial concept, business analysis, information analysis, and investment opportunities. So, my goal is to become a successful financial analyst and a business analyst in the future. Along with my academic studies, I am always work on improving my technical and professional skills. I am very proficient in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Canva, Google Docs, Google Sheet, etc. digital tools. I have also leadership skills, discipline, consistency, teamwork, ability, and problem solving skills. I can do public speaking well. Besides academics, I make myself actively participate in voluntary programs, sports tournaments, and club activities. One of my notable achievements is to serve as a voluntary leader where I learned where I helped organize activities, coordinate team members, and continue to successful events. This experience improved my leadership and teamwork abilities. I have also participated in sports tournaments which taught me discipline, confidence, perseverance, etc. quality. This helps me to understand the importance of teamwork to achieving a common goal. Coming from a middle income family, I always understand the value of education and opportunity. So, this initiative of one student, one laptop opportunity will greatly support my academic activities, research, my learning process, my presentation way, and other things included in my career. So, I believe that continuous learning, hard work, and the technology are the keys to success. With these tools, with the with the perfect dedication, I believe that I can be a successful financial analyst and a business analyst in the future and greatly contribute positively to the society of Bangladesh. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to present myself and the opportunity of giving laptop. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.